Hi guys! Today I'm gonna give you a tour of my small but incredible condo unit here at the Garden Residency 2 at Sensok District, Phnom Penh, Cambodia! So welcome to my condo unit. Let's start with one of my favorite spots, the bathroom. As you can see, the bathroom. Checked out the sleek black painted walls that give the restroom a bold modern vibe. I've got this awesome color changing mirror here that adds the futuristic touch of the bed. And the shower setup is just perfect for a refreshing start and end of the day. Now we move into the living room. This is where I relax. Here's my super comfortable sofa. It's got that sleek design that fits right into the space. And over here is my refrigerator with some of my travel fridge magnets, each one telling a story from a different adventure. Now here at the kitchen area, this might be small, but it's complete with everything I need to cook. It's cozy, yet practical, and I've got it set up just the way I like it. All the essentials are in the arm's reach. As you can see below here is my washing machine. It's very modern, it's state-of-the-art. It's I think the latest LG washing machine on the market. And back in the living room, you'll find my brand new Toshiba TV. It's perfect for those chill movie nights. Above it, you'll see a fancy mirror. Beside it, actually, is a fancy mirror that adds up a touch of the style to the space. It's just $1 at doing so. And in front of the mirror, I've got this cool anti-gravity humidifier that not only looks amazing, but also keeps the air fresh. And beside this area here, those are my little stuff. And beside this area here, this is my workspace. And this is where I play games also. It is where I handle business or work on projects. And I've got a very comfy gamer chair for those long work hours. And right here on the desk is my Alexa, always ready to help out. I also keep my shoes organized right below this area for easy access. You see, those are my shoes, and my rug there for my feet, and those are my caps, and inside that are my secrets. Now let's head to the bedroom. Okay, one final look at the living room, and then let's head to the bedroom. So this is my bedroom. Let me turn this on. It could be white light. It could also be yellow light. So it's cozy and comfortable with side lights for that perfect mood lighting. Beside the bed is my closet. The closet there. And I've added some there's also some decorative rocks and bonsai for the touch of nature. There's also a hanging lamp that completes the very peaceful look. See that? And not to forget a very big mirror here. Vanity mirror for my vanity needs. And with my wing steel right here, everything is complete. There's an AC, a separate AC for the bedroom, and we have a clock right there. And there's also a separate AC for the living room. At night, I will open this part here. It's very bright because it's daytime, but at night, I love opening this window to take in the night view of the Sensok district. It's the perfect way to unwind before bed, looking at the stars and the city lights. Look at that amazing view. Could you imagine what view I get at night? nighttime. And finally, let's go to my favorite spot. My favorite spot, of course, is the balcony. From here, I get a bird's eye view of the district of Sensok. Okay? And it's very magical. So let me open this. Oh my goodness. I get a bird's eye view of Phnom Penh. It's a magical sight day or night, and it's something I never take for granted. It inspires my morning. It gives me a good start every morning, and it gives me a good night when I see the stars here. And even if it rains, it's so beautiful. It's very beautiful. So this is my small but incredible condo unit. Thank you for checking out my condo tour. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more. See you in the next one. Thank you guys. Enjoy.